This is the 14-meter landing craft workboat. Outboard engine design. The top to cover the whole deck. In the front, we can see the front door and also the extended plate, so the truck can be loaded conveniently. It's a simple design, just the console. Here we are on one 14-meter landing craft workboat. This boat is designed very simple, just one console, so can have the larger space for on deck to carry cargo's passengers. Well, we will show you the design on the stern and also storage box, also the ladders to go on the floor. See the structure. There's an aluminum cover that can open with the handrails here to go down to check and do the engine wire connected here to the dashboard. On the stern is the storage box. Can put cushions on it so people can sit. Also ladder here. There we can see the outboard engine transom. On each side there are two boxes. So you can put stuff here as well. Storage box with 6. Dashboard. You can see the cover. And also watertight catch to check the fuel tank as well. The hand winch. Also the chain. We put the cover here to to avoid noise. But for the landing craft workboat, we'll have a different size for different cargo capacity. So from the 7.9 meter to 11 meter, that's our regular model. We have different design for the console boat or base cabin. For a larger one, like this 14-meter boat, we can customize it to your requirement. For a larger one, we can customize it to meet all your requirements, no matter with cabin or just the console. So, thank you for the watching. You can contact me by my email, WhatsApp, WeChat. Feel free to contact me directly to get the boat price or other info needed. Thank you for the watching. Have a nice day.